Welcome to Module 5. Now that you've built out your cloud identity domain, added your users, established basic security protocols and policies, and now have a solid mobile management plan, let's talk about domain management. In this module, we'll cover managing cloud identity domains and then give you an opportunity to practice. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to explain domain options within cloud identity consoles. You'll be able to create domain aliases. Some organizations have multiple internet domain names where they do business. This can occur when organizations acquire a new company or started doing business under a new name. You can associate multiple domains with your organization's Google account at no extra cost. Users can have an identity at one or more of your domains and share the same Google services, and you can manage all of this from your admin console. So how do you add multiple domains to your organization's Google account? When you sign up for a cloud identity domain, you'll provide a domain name that becomes the primary domain associated with your Google account. After that, you can add your other domains using the admin console. You can add up to 600 domains to your organization's Google account. Domains can be added as either a separate domain or a domain alias. In either case, you must own the domain name and verify your ownership. With your primary domain, you are limited to adding up to 20 domain aliases. Domain aliases allow users to send mail with an email address at another domain. For example, you might have two different products, each with their own domain. Having aliases for these domains will allow people to send mail using an address from either domain. Users will still receive email, though, from their primary domain email. You can add up to 599 separate domains. If your organization owns more than one domain, each with its own set of users, you can add each domain as a separate domain. Users will have email addresses and Google accounts at their respective domains. And no matter what domain they have, your users can collaborate internally using your Google services. Additionally, you can use multiple domains with single sign-on. As long as the SSO system is configured to identify the user by email address, it will work smoothly for Google accounts with multiple domains. When you add a domain to your managed Google account, keep in mind some limitations so that you set up your domains correctly. In the admin console, you can't set different policies or configuration settings for different domains. All settings in the admin console apply to all domains that are part of your account. Also, you can specify only one logo for your domains. Now that we've covered managing domains in the admin console, go through the following exercises to learn more about adding domains and domain aliases. You'll be helping your organization implement some newly requested domain aliases. After you are finished, and in case you still have outstanding questions, we'll provide you with resources to learn more about domain management. Good luck.